I'm going to carry an experiment on these two. Look at how infested it is. Look at this other one. So our experiment today will be on these two plants. They are kills, and I don't know why the aphids like kills. My spinach look unaffected. So what you are going to do now first is to reduce the leaves, like this. We are going to reduce these leaves. And we are going to leave it like that. I don't think there is any need of removing this one. And reduce this one too. Oh my god. This is bad. This is bad. Okay, we can leave those three and these three. And then we are going to do an experiment on both. I'm going to use garlic on one with a dishwash, and the other one I'm going to use pesticide, and you can see the difference between the two. So I'm going to show you after a week. We'll come back and see the outcome of both. So let me show you what I have. Here we have our garlic 1 tablespoon, dish soap 1 tablespoon. We have a liter of water. We are going to mix the garlic and the soap together. We mix it, stir it well, and using a spray bottle, we are going to spray to this plant. Because these are the one, we are going to use the pesticide. And here is our pesticide. It is 2 ml, but I'm not going to display the name of the pesticide until we have tested it. Having done that, I'm going to spray a second kill with the pesticide. So I'm going to remove this solution that is remaining, and I use this pesticide for the next kill. I'm not going to use the pesticide on my all plants. I'm just going to use on this one, and after 7 days I'll go with the best. We are going to use the 2 ml in 1 liter of water. We stir. It turns milky when you stir. So we are going to spray it on our plants and do our experiments. I'm going to spray this pesticide all around this crop, above and below, under the leaves, And if you use pesticides on your crops, kindly do not harvest or eat them until 7 days are gone. So we are going to leave it for 1 week and we'll come back and check the difference. And the thing is that I've used this pesticide once. I'm not going to use it again, but for this one, I'll repeat the same process for the 7 days. Yes. I also noticed some white flies and the aphids on this pigweed or terere. Those were in Kikuyu. You can see it has some white flies. These are white flies. Those who do not know what white flies are, these white things, they have one aphids too. So I thought that I should use the pesticide on this pigweed. First, I'm going to trim off the excess leaves so that when I spray the pesticide, it will penetrate into the plant. Those who do not know, this is a vegetable that is eaten in Kenya. I don't know if in your country you consume this, but for us we eat it as a vegetable. You can eat it with ugali, it is so sweet. Or I can feed it to my chicken or rabbits. The surface, guys. This is serious. Look at them. I'm not going to cook this. I'm going to feed it to my chicken. Yeah. I'm going to feed it to my chicken before I spray it. There is also a caterpillar here. I think it's feeding on the aphids. So now here I am with my pesticide. I'm going to spray through the plant, inside out. You saw how severe these aphids are on this pigweed. That's why I opted to go with the pesticide. But if your cases are not so severe, kindly just use organic means to control your pests. So I'll spray it through. So this is 3 days later. I came to check on my plant. This is my first plant where I used garlic and dishwash. I've been spraying this plant for 3 days, just using garlic and dishwash, and you can see how clean it is. All the aphids are gone. Yeah. And then on the second one, they are all dead. No aphids. These are just shells. I did not spray it again. I sprayed it once. I did not spray it again. So these are just dead shells. So my conclusion is that both ways worked. But see how clean my first scale is? The aphids are all washed off and no chemical deposits left on it. So I can consume it anytime from now. Unlike the second one, which I have to wait for 7 days before I consume it. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. I'll come back 1 week after to show you my experiment, the outcome of my experiment. But according to me, organic farming is the way to go. It's the best. If your case is so severe, you can use pesticide. But I would really advise on organic farming. Kitambo, I used to have these rabbits, and I never used pesticides on my crops because I was using the rabbit urine. Then you can use things like ginger, garlic, pepper, many things. You understand? But anyway, you can make your own choice. So thank you so much for being with me all this way. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until we meet next time. Bye.